On the number line, point P has a coordinate 1/2, and point Q has coordinate 2. If r is 1/4 of the way from P to Q, what is the coordinate of r? So let's draw ourselves a number line here. So that's, actually, let me do it in white. I'll use blue for point Q. So that's our number line. So let's say that this is 0. Everything that's going on is between 0 and 2. So I'll make that 0, that 1, and then that is 2 right over here. We have point P at 1/2. So that right over there is at 1/2. That is point P. And we have point Q has coordinate 2. So point Q is right over here. And r is 1/4 of the way between P and Q. So how much more is r going to be than P? Well, just think about this total distance. The total distance between P and Q, this distance right over here, we go a half and then another whole. So it's 1/2. So it's 1/2, which is the same thing as 3/2 if we want to write it as an improper fraction. Now, r is going to be 1/4 of this distance more than P. So what is 1/4 of 3/2? So 1/4 of 3/2, or 1/4 times 3/2, it's going to be 1 times 3 is 3, 4 times 2, 8. So it's going to be 3/8 more than 1/2. So this distance right over here, so let's see, this is half of the distance, this is a fourth of the distance, that's another fourth. So this is going to be, so if we wanted to plot r, r is going to be right over here, that's r. And r, this distance right over here, is going to be 3/8. r is 3/8 more than P. Well, if P is at 1/2, where's r? Well, r is going to be at 1/2 plus 3/8. 1/2 plus 3/8, which is the same thing if we write them all with the common denominator. And 8 is the least common multiple of 2 and 8. So we can write 1/2 as 4/8 plus 3/8 plus 3/8 is equal to 7/8. So the coordinate of r is at 7/8.